Guys, I am Ramjan and today I will be showcasing a project of real life simulator using a servo, a Arduino Uno and a joystick. Here is our fighter jet and a servo. When this servo rotates, the fighter jet also rotates. When and this is a joystick. When this joystick on y-axis reads something, it automatically tells the servo to move. This servo can move about 180 degree. Now I will show you a demo. As you can see, it is moving when I am using the joystick. Thank you.